Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 from Metro by T-Mobile. So now Metro now sells smartwatches, so this is pretty cool. So it's available now for $99.99. It's currently on sale. It's 60% off. The full retail price of the Galaxy Watch 4 is $249.99. So I don't know how long this thing's been at Metro. So if you guys are looking to get a smartwatch on Metro, the Galaxy Watch 4 could be one for you guys to check out here. It's available in black, 16 gigabytes of storage, and it's available at select authorized dealer locations. And this is the 40mm version. So there's the watch right there, very nice looking smartwatch. So if you guys like smartwatches and stuff, y'all guys can check this out and pair it with your phone and stuff like that. So this is your watch face and all that. You got your buttons on the side here, your watch band here, on right here and right here. So yeah, there it is. There's your watch band, very nice looking watch band. It's this is just your standard watch band here, so nothing special. You could probably get customized watch bands for this watch. I guess you can, but you would have to go elsewhere. You would have to go look elsewhere for that. So yeah, there it is on the back of it. This is I guess this would be your charging thing on the bottom here. So you would place it on the puck thing and it would charge your watch and stuff. So pretty nice. And there it is again on the front there. So very nice looking watch there. So key features of the Galaxy Watch 4 has an ECG monitoring. I'm not sure what ECG is. It has a body composition analysis, fitness and auto workout tracking, which is nice. So y'all guys use this for your workout. So it has a VO2 max advanced run coaching, Samsung Health of course, trip protection, women's health, group challenges, upgraded OS, G Suite apps, sleek and lightweight design, tap pay and gas. So you can use Samsung Pay with this, connected Galaxy ecosystem. Alright, says here, crush workouts and all your health goals with Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, the smartwatch that gets you push yourself to the next level with auto workout tracking and advanced run coaching to track heart and long endurance, and group challenges for that extra push. Combining style and function, Galaxy Watch 4 offers a number of fashionable bands to match your every mood and all-day comfort to keep you looking great from the locker room to the conference room. Staying on top of your day on the go is a breeze with Google app integration and call, text, notification connectivity. Galaxy Watch 4 delivers everything you need to conquer your day, no matter where you are or what's on your plate. So I guess this has Wear OS on that. I guess it has Wear OS. I guess it has that. So that's pretty cool. If you guys are wondering what the VO2 thing is, here's a little footnote on that. It says that accurate VO2 max reading requires running outdoors for at least 20 minutes with GPS on. Consult user manual before use. The VO2 max software functions are not intended for use in the diagnostics of disease or other conditions, or in the cure, mitigation, treatment, or prevention of diseases. Alright. Additional specs on the Galaxy Watch 4. It has a 247mm battery. It has wireless charging. That little charging thing on the bottom, I guess it uses a little puck thing to charge your watch. Pretty nice. That has Wi-Fi 8 to 11, BGN, LTE, Bluetooth 5.0 3.0 and NFC for like Samsung Pay and stuff like that. You could probably use Google Pay on here too. I think you do that as well. Exynos W920 processor, Android, that has Wear OS on it. 1.5 gigabytes of RAM. 4G LTE connectivity, so you do have to have a phone line paired with this watch here to get it at Metro. So you if you guys get this watch from Metro, you guys had to have a phone line connected to the smartwatch, so keep that in mind. Supported, okay. Wireless message alerts, it has that, of course. Doesn't have hotspot, or it says it does here. I don't think I doubt it. The weight of the smartwatch is pretty lightweight, 0.91 ounces, not bad. Length, which is your depth, 0.38 inches. Height, 1.39 inches. Width, 1.5 inches, alright. And what comes in your box is a Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, travel adapter, data cable, quick start guide, terms and conditions, alright. So just sending stuff in the box there. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get a smartwatch on Metro now has the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Y'all guys can customize the watch bands, but you guys will have to go elsewhere to get that, because Metro does not offer the customizable watch bands. You would have to go to Samsung's website and get that or whatever. So if you guys want a smartwatch on Metro, the Galaxy Watch 4 is the one to check out here. It is a very nice looking watch. So if you guys like smartwatches and stuff, y'all guys can check out the smartwatch here. So I'll check it out, and yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it lets me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.